Maple syrup. History. Facts. Maple syrup was invented in 1877. Each year 1.24 million gallons of maple syrup are used. Maple syrup is usually made from the sap of sugar maples, red maples, and black maple trees. In winter the starch of a tree is converted to sugar that rises into the sap in spring. More facts. Maple syrup was first used by indigenous people of North America. Maple syrup is graded to the Canada, United States, and Vermont scales based on density and translucency. The most found sugar in maple syrup is sucrose. Sugar, red, and black maples are usually used to make maple syrup because of their high sugar content. More facts. The Algonquians were a tribe that discovered that maple sap was a source of energy and nutrition. During the Civil War, American syrup makers started using large flat metal pans because they are more efficient for boiling than heavy iron kettles. Maple syrup is a lot of work to make but well worth it. More facts. The earliest evaporator were used to heat and concentrate sap. Plastic bags took over the role of buckets. This let people see the amount of sap from a distance. During the process, sap had to be gathered and boiled down to make pure syrup without chemical agents or preservatives. Even more facts. Sometimes during the developing process, off flavors will sometimes appear. Maple syrup making is mostly centered in northeastern North America, but given the correct weather can be made or collected wherever suitable maple trees grow. Even more facts. 80% of the world's maple syrup production is in Canada. Each maple tree can support 1 to 3 taps. The most basic ingredient in maple syrup is from xylem of sugar maples and various other species. Xylem means the supporting and water-conducting tissue of vascular plants. Gradings. The United States uses different grading standards than Canada. There are 2 major grades, Grade A and Grade B. Canada has 3 major grading groups. Number 1 includes extra light, light, and medium. Number 2 amber. Number 3 dark or any other ungraded category. Facts. Maple syrup also contains little amounts of amino acids. In the United States, maple syrup must be entirely made out of maple sap and small amounts of salt. In Quebec, maple syrup is sold as souvenirs for tourists. 7 U.S. states including New York, Vermont, and Wisconsin have the sugar maple as their state tree. Don't you just love maple syrup?